Hi, I will be showing to you how to do a cherry pick in GitKraken. As you may know, sometimes we need to pick up certain commits and push it in other branch in our Git tree. And while you may be used doing it by a command line, I will be showing you how to do it with GitKraken. GitKraken is very comfortable graphic user interface for Git, and it has a lot of functionalities that includes also cherry pick. Let me start with creating a branch to which I will push some commits, and then I'll try to cherry pick them. Okay, first let's start with feature branch, which will be cherry pick test. Okay, and now here I have a lot of files because of a project that I just have built, and I haven't set up GitHub Ignore, so please excuse me. I will be unstaging these two and try to find my condition files. Okay, so I guess it's here. Yes. Okay, so you can see I have simple Kotlin program that I've just have built, and I want to push the source, its source. So let's add source code for Kotlin if conditions. Okay, this was my commit message. Then I will stage the file, write commit message. If you have something else to do here, you can write description also. Just click commit changes. Okay, so you can see right now that I've committed my changes to my local branch. It's not the remote branch, it's only the local branch. And then when I click push, you can see that with clicking push, I'll be pushing to my remote branches. And because right now I don't have my feature branch here, you cannot see it, but now I will be making it. So we write feature cherry pick commit cherry pick test, excuse me. Okay, and then I'm just entering submit. I'm clicking submit or just pushing the enter button. So I've pushed successfully. You can see the message here, and also you can see the feature branch here in my remote tree. And now I want this commit to be pushed directly to main branch. In many cases you don't want to push directly to your main branch, but because this is only a tutorial, I'll be doing like that. So here is my commit. I'm first checking out my main branch, and then I'm selecting my commit, and then I'm clicking right button, and here you can see we have several options. What I want is cherry pick commit. I'm trying it, and you can see here the message: do you want to immediately commit or cherry picked changes? I don't have anything to change, so I'll be clicking a yes. You can click no whenever you want, it's fine. And then you can see that it already committed to my local branch, and now I'll be pushing it, okay, to the origin also, and now it's synced up with my main branch. Okay, so that was all about GitKraken and cherry pick commit. It's very simple. If you have any questions, please write a comment down below, and if you have any video requests, please let me know.